Hello guys, welcome back to my channel once again. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can calculate your shipping fee with this product. Yes, so I'm going to be using my ruler, this 1 meter ruler, this a meter ruler. I'm going to be using this ruler to take measurements and calculate our shipping fee. If you are new here, kindly subscribe, like, comment, and also turn on the notification bell below. From this side to this side is our height. So we take measurements for this. Let me use, so here is 100 centimeters. Then I'll calculate from down, yes, to this point. So this is 85 centimeters. So 85 centimeters plus the 100 centimeters will give you 185 centimeters. So write it down, 185 centimeters. Forgive my handwriting, I know my writing isn't nice. Take it like that. From this side to this side is our length. So from here to here is 81.9 centimeters, approximately 82 centimeters. Yeah, so this 82 centimeters for the length. Now we are going to take for the breadth or the thickness of the package. So for the breadth, we take it from here, this side. For the breadth, we take it from here, this side. Yeah, from this side to this side is the breadth. This side to this side is the breadth. So you're going to measure this side and this side. This is my ruler. I'm going to take a measurement for that. So this is 12 centimeters for the breadth. 12 centimeters for the breadth. 12 centimeters for the breadth. So right now we are going to calculate our CBM here, and this is our height, our length, our breadth, or the width. Yeah, so we are going to convert each of these into meters. And you remember my ruler was already in meters, but I want you guys to understand every step. In case you are having maybe a centimeter ruler, you can use it to measure. And I'm sure someone will ask, what's CBM? CBM means cubic meters. So cubic meters, this is what we normally use to calculate our sea shipping fees. Yes, and before you can be able to calculate your CBM, you need to get a shipping company you work with, and normally you ask them of their CBM price. So we are going to use 1 CBM as maybe $280. Yes. So we'll convert this into meters. So 185 divided by 100 will give you 1.85 meters. And this one too, the length will give you 82 divided by 100 will give you 0.82. Then for the breadth, is the breadth. 12 divided by 100 will give you 0.12. To calculate the CBM, it's not hard. To calculate the CBM, we are going to multiply this one by this one by this one, times the rate of the shipping company. Yes, so 1.85 times 0.82 times 0.12. So 1.85 times 0.82 times 0.12. That's 0.182 times the rate of this one, that's $280. So times 280, that means the shipping fee for this one, so $50.97. That means the shipping fee is 50, so approximately 50 give you $51. So this is how you can calculate your shipping fee for sea shipping. For air shipping, normally we use the weight of a package. So this is how you can calculate your shipping fee in case you buy your things from China, Dubai, Turkey. That's how you can calculate your shipping fee. And take note, the shipping rate depends on the shipping company you are using. If you really enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and comment on this channel.